Hello and greetings for the day. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lamywood Floors. Today, through this video, I, Vaibhav Vashish, the Managing Director of Lamywood Flooring, is going to be discussing and venturing through the interesting wooden flooring layouts and pattern trends of 2020. Over the years, technology has been strengthening its presence in almost all industries. With the technology improving and advancing over time, people and customers have started utilizing the abundance content on the internet. It goes without saying that if you are a flooring contractor, an architect, or an interior designer, these customers today want designs and patterns that follow the trends that people can talk about and can make their guests go, wow. Agree with us? Comment below with yes or no and let us know. Talking specifically about wooden flooring, gone are the days when people thought of wooden flooring to only be available to very wealthy. Modern production techniques and wooden flooring companies like us have now made premium quality wooden flooring available at reasonable prices, fitting all homeowners' budgets. Over time, wooden flooring has proven to be one of the most elegant, high aesthetic and classic choices of flooring. To get to your notice that when I say classic, I don't mean classic in the sense of being boring. In fact, even with influx of wood-looking flooring options, there has always been a strong market of solid and engineered wood flooring. In fact, the wood flooring trends in 2020 are anything but boring. Keeping up with the trends of 2020, and Lamywood have introduced a new style and collection of waterproof flooring. We realize that solid and conventional wood is not where every homeowner's choice, and this encourages us to introduce the right alternative, the new style, the new range of products, which is called waterproof laminated wooden flooring, with obviously promising you to transform the look of your space. We assure you that laminated floors are the most eco-friendly ones. I know you would be thinking, what about durability? This product not only surpasses the aesthetics of solid wood floor and engineered wood floor, but it also comes with a lifetime warranty. Hold on, because the best part is still to come. With this new collection of Lamywood, it is possible for you to clean your house with a wet mop and even scrub it to keep up with the extra hygiene and cleanliness. Talking about 2017, patterns in wood flooring were a new thing and selling like hot pancakes. Now in 2020, it's no surprise that pattern wooden flooring is a huge hit. As promised, let's take you all through the top 4 latest layouts and pattern trends of wooden flooring of 2020. Herringbone wood floors. Herringbone is one of the most popular and easily accessible choice of flooring patterns. Herringbone patterns are going to be super hot over the next year, especially among young homeowners. Over years, I have come across with this misconception that herringbone and chevron are very similar. But let me tell you that each one has its own distinction. Chevron floors require the wood planks to be angled and come together to a point, making them more expensive to manufacture and install, while herringbone achieves a similar look by connecting 2 planks at 90-degree angle, as seen here. While the herringbone wood trend lasts in 2020 and beyond, this trend isn't likely to last forever, but it sure is one of the prettiest options available while it's here. Also with the new Opulence collection, which has herringbone design in different widths like 100 mm and 200 mm. You can mix and match these two widths and you can make 21 design options to choose from. Diagonal or angled wood floor. This style is one of my favorites. Laying your wood flooring diagonally instantly modernizes your home, making it look chic and expensive. Though the downside to go with the diagonal wood is that they actually do cost a bit more, both in materials and labor. However, I think if you can afford it, it's worth the splurge and you'll end up happy you did it. Will the diagonal wood trend last in 2020 and beyond? Can it still be a trend if it's uncommon? I think so. In my opinion, yes. Expect to see these angle wood floors every once in a while for decades to come. Their rareness, again in my opinion, means this trend won't quickly grow old like others. I expect it to have a longer shelf life. Wide and long planks wood floors. This is one trend you can expect to see every year in every style for foreseeable future. Wide planks are longer. Wider planks make your room look larger, more open and less busy. Soon, short, thin planks will be seen as outdated. In fact, I would venture to guess that going with smaller planks would significantly reduce your home's aesthetic value. And also, they just won't look as good. Now, I do think we'll get to a point where enough is enough already and we will stay at these new traditional sizes. So, don't go buying one plank of wood for your entire hallway. That would look weird. But I definitely would recommend getting on board with the large plank trend. For example, a new waterproof refined collection comes with 6 feet long planks and with a width of about 8 inches. Will the wide plank wood trend last in 2020 and beyond? Manufacturers are only trending towards even wider and even longer planks. In my opinion, this trend will soon become a classic staple and is likely to last the test of time. Patterned wood floors. This pattern and style is one of my favorites. I am not supposed to play favorites here, but the mixed pattern flooring trend is just so cool. Playing with different widths to make your own patterned floor makes your home look modern, unique. It adds that little extra touch of elegance and the element of wow to your flooring, making it pop. As you may have guessed, mixed with patterned wood is where you lay wood planks with 2 different widths to make 21 pattern designs. This new collection from Lamy-Wood is called Opulence Collection. This collection is available in 2 variants, 100mm and 200mm width size. Both of these variants come with a standard length of approximately 600mm. The best part is that you can choose to lay the normal herringbone style or wider herringbone style, or simply choose to combine and mix the 2 widths to make your own pattern. These 2 different laying patterns and styles add extra detailing to your flooring, resulting in drawing direct attention to something unexpectedly beautiful. Basically, it's really freaking cool. Will the mixed width pattern wood trend last in 2020 and beyond? In my opinion, this mixed width pattern wooden flooring is going to transform the wooden flooring industry. It's going to change the way the wooden flooring is being laid. Believe me, this is the new and really cool trend that will surely last way beyond 2020. This brings me to the conclusion of this video, and I hope I was able to help all my viewers with some valuable information to take back. Do take a minute and tell us by commenting below if you were aware of these styles and patterns and trends of 2020. Lamy-Wood since last 15 plus years has been a customer-centric brand to cater all our customers and their unique choices. We offer 3 major variants of wood flooring: laminated, engineered and solid wood floors with various textures, designs, colors, patterns, finishes and functionality at the most competitive rates in the industry. For further inquiries, you can leave a comment below or choose to consult us for free on the contact details mentioned in the description below. Thank you and have a nice day.